Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to trim videos in CapCut PC. Alright, let's get started. So over here you can see our CapCut interface. Now first I'm going to import our video. So here you can see there are some sample videos, so I'm just going to use one of the video, and over here let's drag the video to our timeline. So as you can see, this is our video in our timeline. Alright, so now let's add another video as well. Alright, so now let's add it to our timeline as well. So now let's play the video. So here you can see this is our video. So now to trim the video, what you have to do is click on this split button, and now I'm going to delete this portion by clicking this delete icon. So here as you can see, our video has been trimmed and the video is now shorter. So as you can see, this is how we trimmed our video, and that is how you'll be able to trim your video in CapCut PC as well. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.